So I have this FRIENDCATION palette by Dose of Colors and DESIxKATY. I'm sure a lot of you guys, I'm sure every one of you guys follows DESIxKATY. I've loved them for a long time. They're some of my favorite beauty bloggers. And I know I'm really late on this to try out, but I was shopping at Ulta and I picked up this palette. I wasn't planning on getting it because honestly I haven't used their first collection a whole lot, like as far as their eyeshadows go. This is the first collection. They're just not like the colors that I normally like, and they're just so elaborate. Like I'm more of like an everyday sort of makeup gal. Like I don't use stuff like that very often. I'm just not. I mean, so, you know, anyways. So I wasn't planning on getting this and I saw it in store and I swatched it and I was like, ooh, like this looks really good. So I decided to buy it and I'm just gonna play around with it with you guys on camera and show you guys what I think, my first impressions, tutorial review, that kind of thing. I have not dug into this at all. So the packaging looks pretty similar to their old packaging. I like kind of the color better. This is compared to the old, it's kind of like just more deep bronzy, I guess. I don't know. It's really pretty. Wow. I don't love the way this feels. I'm like a texture person and I don't love that. So I'm like, ooh, my hands feel rough when I touch this. So, oh, shitola. Well, let's see if I can fix this. So I just opened it. I haven't like touched it or anything. It's not a huge deal, but one of the shadows is shattered right here. So that just kind of sucks. Like whenever you open a palette and you're like, oh damn, well that sucks, you know? Like I don't know if I was gonna use all that or not, but presentation wise it's like, oh man. And I know that this happens a lot. Oh shit. This whole thing just popped out up here into my lap. Wow, bad first impression, bad first impression. Don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. This whole little blue one just popped right out. That ain't cool. Oh, how do I put, oh gosh, this is tricky. This is giving me stress. Well, we can't be doing anything crazy with this palette because it'll just pop right on out. Well, I have a feeling the shades are gonna be really pretty because this formula, they weren't sacrificing the formula, I guess, because it's all flying out all over the place. Bad first impression on the palette because the shadows can't even stay put. And I'm like, dang, I gotta be delicate with this thing. So bad first impression. But anyways, regardless of that, I can't tilt it too much. Sorry guys, or else these shadows are gonna pop out. I'm not trying to be a hater, I'm just giving y'all a full ass impression. The cool thing about buying your own makeup, you can say whatever you want about it, you ain't gotta feel bad about nothing. So I thought that the mattes were really, really pretty. I wasn't gonna buy this originally because of the colors. I'm not a color person. I try and I should probably try harder on that, but it's just not who I am. It's not who I am. I don't like color on my face. Now, there are moods and there are days for that, but every day, I don't go to color. So anyways, but I'm gonna try. I'll be adventurous. You know, makeup is fun, it's creative. I'm gonna shut up now because I am annoying myself. But anyways, I thought the mattes were really pretty and there were a few sparkles that were really pretty in here. So pretty much, I'm like really worried I can't tip it over too much. So all these mattes up top and then these down here on the bottom. So 7 out of these 10, I really like. Now I don't know if I'm gonna use the greenish olive and then these two bluish, like the purplish and then this turquoise. I don't know if I'm gonna use those at all, but I think on a night out those would be really pretty. But as far as wearable, those 3 are not very wearable. So I'm really excited to see what kind of look I can come up with using this. So let's just start playing around. I'm gonna prime my eyes because I have not done that yet. Y'all, there's shadow pigment all over my vanity. Like this is not, if mess freaks you out and stresses you out and like pigment everywhere, then maybe don't get this palette. But if that don't bother you and you just are all about the pigment, you're all about DESIxKATY and Dose of Colors, then definitely, well, I can't tell you to get it yet because I don't know, but if that's not a factor, then just ignore that. I have been using this Sigma, what's it called? Stealth? No. Persuade primer, and I really like that as well. But I'm trying to use the rest of this MAC. Hopefully this is close enough for you guys. But yeah, I'm just adding on this primer, prime these lids up. Let me swatch one of these babies on my hand. Let's swatch Girl Bite. This one's Girl Bite. Let's see what happens. Ooh. All right. Okay. That's pretty pigmented, you guys. That's pretty good. I'm just gonna take a flat shader and take this first shade right here, the lightest shade in the palette, Basic, yes, Basic, and just put it on my lid. I'm gonna get that Sigma E40 here. Take this, I'd say it's like a very, very translucent camel, kind of like a beige color right here. Let's see what it's called, Necessary. They're so funny. They are too funny. I'm gonna take that with my Sigma E40 and just put that in the crease right there. I'm sure it's really hard to get these very glittery pigmented colors to stay packed in there. But yeah, they keep coming out. I feel like I've lost some of my shadow. I definitely have, but it's not like I usually use all of it anyways. I'm just playing along. Like when I do these videos, I just go for what my heart tells me to do. I don't have a plan. I go for it and I hope for the best. So, God, it's a mess everywhere, y'all. I don't know if some of this is the packaging or if it's just the eyeshadow. I hope it don't get all over my Old Navy, because that's a problem if it does. Oh yeah, that's one of the sparkly shades, the one that popped or was broken. What is that? Try Me? Oh, their names like crack me up. I love it. Try Me, bish. And then we have this gold, champagne gold sort of color. Game Over and Churro. I think this is Game Over and this is Churro. So I'm probably gonna incorporate one of those into this look. Greenish gold. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. These are pretty unique shades. These are pretty unique and they're very pigmented. You know they're gonna be really pigmented if Desi and Katy are gonna be putting their name on it, and if Anna from Dose of Colors, and yeah, their products are dope. So I knew I was gonna get something good. Let's see, what's calling my name right now? I think this shade right here is calling my name. This one in the middle right here that I already swatched. Girl Bye. Girl Bye. Girl Bye. So I'm gonna take that with this. This is one of my favorite brushes out of the Jaclyn collection. This is the JH33. Tap that and really build this in my crease.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy.
I use really like fast, soft movements and kind of draw up as I go, as it's blending, and dragging it to the lid. I never know if I'm making sense or not. Like I said, I just hope for the best in these things, y'all. Head into the other side.
You know it, we make it.
I'd probably say this isn't the best travel palette because of the issues I'm having with the shades popping out and whatnot. So that kind of is unfortunate. But maybe it's just one you gotta keep in your vanity. Maybe keep a paper towel underneath. But this is really pigmented, I will say. We're gonna stick to the basicness. And I'm gonna take, what is it, Game Over right here, this sparkly red shade. And just take it with my finger. And I'm gonna place it on my lid right in the middle. I always just stick to the middle. I want y'all to see how pigmented this is. Wow. This shade probably doesn't need any Fix Plus or anything, you know what I'm saying? So that is freaking beautiful. I'm gonna take some more of that Girl Bye or whatever that middle bottom shade is and just dust off anything that might have flown up there. And I'm gonna take this dark brown shade in here, Dirty Money. It's called Dirty Money right here. And I'm gonna put that on just a pencil brush, pack it on a pencil brush, tap it and go in. Alright, so I'm just gonna take another pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30. And I'm gonna pack this color right here. This one's beautiful. This is Just a Kiss. It's kind of more on the basic side. Just a Kiss. Such a little fun palette here. I'm gonna pack that on this E30 and just drag that along the lower lash line. Give it a little bit of some different colors, because I haven't used this one yet. little bit of this top shade right here just to smoke it out even more. This top middle one, that's called Necessary. It's kind of like their transition shade that they threw in here. Buff out just a kiss with that. Just kind of soften it up a little bit. Okay, so that is all I want to do for my lids. I'm going to go put some mascara and lashes on and show y'all the finished look.
I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. So pretty. And I used my favorite lashes, my favorite everyday lashes, the MAC 35s. They're amazing and I love the way that this look turned out. So pretty. I love the way my face makeup turned out too. I was going for like kind of a full coverage dewy look, which is kind of like my go-to, my everything. So I love the way that this turned out. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks for checking out my thoughts on this new palette with Dose of Colors and DESIxKATY. I love them. They're some of my favorite bloggers. So yeah, that was fun. It was kind of fun to do this. So let me know what you guys think about this palette down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you picked it up and if you like it or not. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. And subscribe, sign up for alerts, all that stuff. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm probably going to be doing some more vlog style because that was good. I like that. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.